Oksana Yukino is a notable figure in female bodybuilding, recognized for her dedication and impressive achievements in the sport. Born in Ukraine, she has become a prominent competitor on the international stage, showcasing her strength and aesthetic physique. Yukino's journey into bodybuilding began with a passion for fitness and a desire to challenge herself physically. Her training regimen is rigorous, focusing on building muscle while maintaining optimal body composition. Oksana participates in various competitions where she consistently performs at a high level, earning accolades and respect within the bodybuilding community. Her commitment to the sport is evident in her disciplined approach to training and nutrition. Beyond her competitive success, Yukino serves as an inspiration to many aspiring female bodybuilders. She advocates for women's empowerment in the fitness, encouraging others to pursue their goals regardless of societal expectations. Through her social media presence, she shares insights into her training, diet, and personal experiences, motivating others to embrace their strength and pursue their fitness journeys. Oksana Yukino exemplifies resilience and determination, making her a role model for women in bodybuilding and fitness worldwide.